Hi, this problem says which point is in quadrant 4. So to solve this, the first thing I need to do is think about my quadrant. So I'm going to draw a coordinate plane. I have my y-axis, which is vertical, and my x-axis, which is horizontal. My quadrants are the 4 different sections that my 2 axes create when they intersect. So quadrant 1 is up here in the top right corner. And then we go counterclockwise. So quadrant 2 would be over here. Quadrant 3 is this bottom left. And quadrant 4 is this bottom right one. So now it says which point is in quadrant 4. Well, if I want to go to quadrant 4, that means that I need to go to the right on my x-axis, because my ordered pairs are always written as x, comma, y. So I need to do my x first, which means I need to go forward first to get to quadrant 4. So I'm going to have a positive x value. And then I need to go down, because if I went up, that would go to quadrant 1. So I would go down, which would be like going negative or underground in my y coordinate spot. So I would have a positive x and a negative y value. So then I need to go over to my answer choices and look for a ordered pair that has a positive value in x and a negative value in y. This one has a negative value in x and a positive value in y, so that cannot be my answer choice. This one has a negative value for both x and y, but I need a positive x, so that one's not my answer choice. This C says a positive value for both x and y, but I need a negative y, so again, that cannot be my answer. And this bottom one has a positive value for x and a negative value for y, because we have this negative sign right here. So if I were to graph this point right here, this last point, I would go positive 0.03. So positive 0.03, it depends on where I have my labels here. Whoops. So if this is 1, and then we would have negatives down here. So negative 1. If I go positive 0.03, that would not be quite halfway to 1, but it would be about right here. And then we would go down negative 0.1, or 0 and 1/10, which is again a very small step. So my point would be about right here, but that is still in quadrant 4. So D, or this last answer choice, would be my right one.